Making mouth-watering, healthy pancakes is a delightful way to start the day. The key is to use wholesome ingredients and make smart substitutions to traditional pancake recipes without compromising taste and texture. Here's a recipe for healthy pancakes that are both delicious and nutritious: healthy banana oat pancakes. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, or flax eggs for a vegan option, 2 tablespoons ground flaxseed mixed with 6 tablespoons water, 1 cup rolled oats, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, optional mix-ins, blueberries, chopped nuts, chocolate chips, chia seeds, cooking spray or coconut oil for greasing, optional toppings, fresh fruit, Greek yogurt, pure maple syrup, nut butter, or honey. Instructions: blend the ingredients. In a blender, add the bananas, eggs, rolled oats, baking powder, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Mix-ins. Optional. If you're using any mix-ins like blueberries or chopped nuts, stir them into the batter after blending. Cook the pancakes. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease it with cooking spray or coconut oil. Pour 1/4 cup portions of the batter onto the skillet. Depending on the size of your skillet, you can cook multiple pancakes at once. Cook until small bubbles form on the surface of the pancakes and the edges look set, about 2-3 minutes. Carefully flip the pancakes and cook for an additional 1-2 minutes on the other side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Serve. Transfer the cooked pancakes to a serving plate and repeat with the remaining batter. Top with your choice of toppings such as fresh fruit, a dollop of Greek yogurt, a drizzle of pure maple syrup, nut butter, or a sprinkle of honey. These banana oat pancakes are naturally sweetened with ripe bananas, making them a healthier alternative to traditional pancakes. The rolled oats provide fiber, making them more filling and nutritious. The texture is slightly different from traditional pancakes. They're more moist and dense, but they're absolutely delicious and satisfying. You can customize this recipe by adding protein powder, different spices like cinnamon or nutmeg, or even using different fruits like berries or apple puree. The possibilities are endless.